Okay, so today you're gonna watch me do some maintaining of uh, of my files and folders, and namely, I wanna introduce some structure to my collection of images. Basically, I have like tens of thousands of images that are from my phone, from my photo camera, from in the internet, AI generated images, images that people sent me through WhatsApp and stuff like that. So I have a huge collection of personal photos. I can think of a way to organize them better than sorting it into folders based on a year that they're made in. So if the images are from the year 2020, 20, it's gonna be a folder 2020 with all the images from that year. So that's my plan for now, at least. Later on, I plan on creating a script to go through all the images and name them based on the content of the image. So I don't know what how hard that will be, or even if I'll be able to do it. But that's my plan. So I'm gonna use all this AI coding technology to help me uh, achieve some equilibrium on my own rig. Anyway, uh, let's start. So I will not jump right into Windsurf. I want to see what DeepSeek has to say about my plan. So basically, I just wrote this simple prompt. I want to create a Python project. I'm saying Python project. I could have said just a project and let it decide what tech stack is best for this, but I believe Python is best for this kind of thing. I want to create a Python project that can go through my images and sort them into folders based on the year of their creation. For instance, I give it a folder as input, and it stores all the images from 2023 into one folder, images from 2024 into second folder, and so on. What is the best way to achieve this, and what tech stack should I use? Wait. So we're just gonna rip it and see what happens. Yeah, it thought for 236 seconds, so it was a long, good long think. Look at all these thoughts. But in the end, we did get an answer. So what he's proposing is to use Pillow for handling image processing and image data extraction. What is this? PyXif, whatever, for metadata parsing, argparse for command line arguments, and basics OS shuttle datetime modules for from Python. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna copy this code. It's not even long. I thought it was gonna be longer, and see if it works. If it works, today's video is gonna be short. Anyway, so let's go into Windsurf and open a folder. Let's go to code and let's go make a new folder. Let's call it photo processing. It doesn't really matter, it's just a name. Yeah, so basically we need to copy this code and just name it main. Okay, so I'm actually gonna create a virtual environment. and let's install these two requirements. Let's just test the script. Let me just pause for a second, and so you don't have to watch me organize a testing folder. I just want to put some images from different years, just like 10, 20 or something, just to see if it works. Okay, so I have a variety of images from different years. It's just 15 images, so the testing should be fairly quick. I'm just gonna take the path here, and let's see what does DeepSeek say, how to Python main.py path to your images. Okay, so yeah, let's just Python main.py. Okay, so it was very quick, and it works. It fucking works. Yeah, there are some images from 2009, some from 2016, 2018, 2023. I remembered this walk, so I know it's 2023. Yeah, it was damn fast. I'm gonna try it out on a bigger folder. Okay, so I have a folder of my personal photos, so I'm not gonna make them bigger, but it's 351. Yeah, 351 photos. So basically, I'm just gonna give it this path and see how it works. Oh, yeah, it's having problem with the name of the folder. Let's just say okay. I changed the name. Let's just use this. And okay, so obviously when running this kind of code you have to be very diligent of your naming conventions. So this was 350 images, and it's yeah, it's basically 2 years worth of images. Yeah, now this is amazing. I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, I like this. So yeah, this was a short one, or maybe we can add to this script. Maybe really implement that naming part of the script, so that it goes and looks at images, describes them, and changes the name of the image. Okay, I'm just gonna play around with it and see if I can make it work. Okay, so like I promised, I actually went on and created this additional functionality of our program that now has the ability to rename all the files in the folder. So I actually tested it out here with one of our folders here. I took the bigger one, 2023, and like for instance, it renamed this image as a backpack on the shore of a body of water. Okay, so it's a bit of a, yeah, it's not something that a human would rename. but honestly, a human would not go through thousands of images and rename them all. So take your pick. For instance, this is a foggy day at the lake shore. It even knows it's a lake. This is a boat on the water, a bridge over a body of water. Yeah, that body of water rubs me the wrong way, but okay, this is a crowded room full of people. This is a dog in a room. So you get the picture. It uses. I have Vision Llama for a while now, and I didn't. I have this Llama 3.2 Vision in my Llama models, and I was dying to use it, and finally I got a guide to use it, and for a good purpose. So basically, Llama 3.2 Vision has the ability to look at the images, and it's a local model. It can go through images, look at them, and summarize what they are all about. And honestly, that part was the hardest part, to create a prompt that will get me the results that I want, because it just wants to start every description with "this image shows" or "this image depicts," and I don't want that in my image description. So basically, this prompt here, let me just find it. Yeah, this prompt here took me a couple of iterations to find. So it shows that caption: provide a very short, direct description in less than 6 words. Do not use any filler phrases like "this image depicts" or "this image shows." Answer only with a concise subject description. I know that that sounds like basic, but it took me like a couple of iterations to figure out what I need to tell him to stop using weird descriptions. Yeah, so just let me tell you one thing about this. It does not take a series of images into consideration. So for instance, I have this when I was shaving. I was playing around with my mustache and everything, and these images were together. So because of the descriptions, they are now separated. So yeah, take that into consideration when using this kind of stuff, because it doesn't it can't figure out that this is the same set of images. So it basically looks at every image like it's a completely standalone image. So basically, if you want your images to have some kind of a progression, like order that they were shot at, then you need to rethink the way to code this kind of project, and maybe use dates or something. Since this is a script that already organizes images by the year, the name could be a date without the year. So yeah, that's one way to go. Anyway, let me just show you how this works. I'm just gonna go again into the test folder. And I need to add rename tag. Okay, first one, second one, third one. Yeah, it's done. So it's a futuristic space suit and helmet, a wisp of smoke, abstract blue water pattern, astronaut in space, underwater view of numerous small fish. It's not numerous small fish, it's actually bubbles, but yeah, you get the picture. Yeah, so it works really good for what it is, and it's a code with like couple of functions, 143 lines. Yeah, maybe I'll just drop it on my Patreon for you to play with, or maybe I'll just put it on my GitHub. Anyway, I hope you like this kind of content. It's not always about creating web applications. I really enjoy these command line tools or scripts that use local models or machine learning, actually make something cool. And organizing my photos is something I was obsessed with for a while now, and I really want to make something that can be used as a application with interface. So if you have some suggestions on what and how to create this, I'm all ears. Yeah, and I'm open to suggestions to projects for my next videos. If you have something that you want to see, just drop me a comment or something, and I'll see what I can do. Yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.